What's up guys, Thomas here, WFO RC Racing. Time for some XMAXX 8S session with as you seen in my previous videos, I'm running the all new WFO titanium CVDs, and so far super impressed. Straight as an arrow, take a lot of beating, and yeah, I think it's a good investment. So besides that parts, I'm running their mod 1.5 33 25 Leopards 58 110 / 950 kV max 5 Thunderoos 18k, so and a Ripper Killer 8S cap pack, and their sleeves, and the EC mount also from WFO. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can do some jumping. Got a few cars with me today, so I need to start bashing. Good job, Thomas. Yeah, that's a perfect way to yeah, let's see if we can clear that and don't F up. Yep. Ooh. That doesn't sound good at all. I'm wondering if there are just I can see anything that are stuck. Yeah, I think we're toast.